Can we please just have a heart to heart about Tesla? Okay, so I need to start off by saying I love Tesla. I think they look great, they run great. Sometimes they have some issues, but all car companies do. All cars do. Um, but, and I need to say also, I have absolutely nothing against Elon Musk. I think he seems like a very smart, great guy, great business leader. And I don't have anything at all against Tesla, but they are overpriced. And I think that it's going to be a problem in the future. And I'm frustrated with the people and companies who continue to push Tesla, saying that they should go higher and higher and reaching like these extreme targets, like price targets. What is going on? So I want you to think about all these people that are saying Tesla can go higher, Tesla can go higher, or YouTube videos of people saying that you can retire on Tesla. Ha ha! Put $300,000 into Tesla today and see how it gets you. 30 years from now, you're going to be doing great. Uh, Put in $600,000 and just pull out $2,000 a month to live off of. Okay, so I think that anybody's retirement plan that is based on one company, one stock, that is like, that spells a disaster. That can be a problem because, and it almost seems like a pyramid like scheme. Have everybody put $600,000, $300,000 of their retirement into one company and then just trust that everybody else isn't going to pull out and take profit. That sounds ridiculous, but that's just me. So my problem, if you look at Tesla, break it down. Break it down with me. Okay. Excuse the chicken scratch handwriting. I did all of this math, writing it all down. I didn't put it all into text. I just was doing this very quickly. Okay, so these are the last 4 quarters of revenue. So a year of revenue. 10.74 billion, 10.39 billion, 11.96 billion, 13.76 billion. That's great. That's great revenue. Wonderful. It ends up being 46.85 billion. Awesome. Okay. Profit. They did 0.27 billion. I believe it's 0.44 billion, then 1.14 billion, then 1.62 billion, for a total of 3.47 billion profit. Woo! Good job, Tesla. Okay, so now this is where the problem comes in. I think what has happened is everybody said, I love Tesla. I think they're a great company. I've got to get in. But they didn't do the math. They didn't figure out if Tesla was undervalued or overvalued. Is Tesla a bargain to buy into, or are they like a stretch to buy into? And that is where the problem comes in here. It's frustrating because I don't want to see people lose money. And I know a lot of YouTubers, a lot of talking heads on financial networks, TV networks, they'll push Tesla, buy into Tesla, buy into Tesla. You'll have analysts saying, oh, price target 1,500. What? Have you done the math? And the answer is they probably have, and they just don't care because they've bought into Tesla, and so they want to be able to get their money back. So if they can push it up higher, they can get it to that target price. They can pull out and be done, make a profit. Who cares about the other people that they're pushing to get into it? That is sad. That is irresponsible. Be responsible with your money, please. Okay. So looking at this number, Tesla's market cap is $1.009 trillion. $1 trillion, they are trading at 21.53 times revenue, which would mean that the company is valued at 21 years worth of revenue, not profit, revenue. That's just money that they've touched before taking out any kind of expenses. This is money that has come in before taking out any kind of expense. This isn't what they're netting. This is their revenue. 21 years worth of it. Okay? Profit. They are trading at 290.77 times profit. That means they are trading at 290 years worth of profit. Do you see a problem here? Like I said, take into consideration all of the analysts and companies and people, talking heads on YouTube and on financial networks that are pushing Tesla. Take into account the people that are saying use Tesla to retire on. Put $600,000 in. It's okay. Nobody's going to pull out. You're going to be fine. Take into consideration those people. Remember those people that told you this. Remember those companies, those analysts that told you price target 1,500, price target 1,400. Remember. I might be wrong. Maybe it'll go up even higher. Can we get it to $2 trillion market cap trading at 50 times rev and 600 times profit? Can we do it? Oh, of course we can. Does that make the company more valuable? Okay, yeah. I mean, by market cap, yeah, sure. Can they ever meet that standard? That's where it gets kind of iffy. Because not only should you look at revenue multiple and profit multiple, take a second and go and look at the future. Think about the future. Also, today there was a recall for, I guess, like hundreds of thousands of Teslas. But take a look at the future here. All right. So, this is their used car inventory. For a Model S used, 48,000, 52,000, 57,000, 58,000, 59,000, 60,000, 61,000, 62. What does it go up to? All the way up to 70,000, it looks like, for a 2018. Wait, what? Make that make sense. Come on. Stop it. Why is this going so slow? Page unavailable? What just happened? Okay. Accessories? No, I don't want. Where is... existing inventory? Maybe. Okay. Okay, we're back. Okay. I don't know what 33174 is. Okay, let's look. Model S. Oh, used. Okay. So Model Y. 72,000 for 2020 used. Okay, now we're back here. Let's look at this. This is a Model 3 for a 2020. Why would 62,000? Okay. I don't know what happened here. Model X, 111,000. Model Y, 72,000. Model S. All right. So, looking at these prices, not everybody is going to buy a Tesla. So, if you're thinking, oh, well, Tesla's the future, everybody's going to own a Tesla. No, I'm not. If I had it, I would possibly buy one. Maybe, but I kind of doubt it. Like, and people say, oh, well, it saves you on gas. It's not going to save me that much on gas. Okay. Like, if we go look at, like, cars 2022 best cars for the money. Nissan Versa, 16,000. Chevy Spark, 14,000. Brand new, 2022. Kia Rio, 17,000. Mitsubishi Mirage, 15,000. Hyundai Accent, which is a decent car, 18,000 starting market average. Elantra, 21,000. Kia Forte, 20,000. Jetta, 20,000. Sentra, 20,000. Civic, 24,000. Civics are great. So, and this is brand new, not used. And you're looking at used cars for 58,000 for a 2017. No, I don't see, like, so Tesla would need to create a car that's a lot less expensive. So the next problem, we'll go back here. Okay. So the next problem is, I think a lot of people are getting into Tesla, buying Tesla stock, thinking, oh, well, Tesla's everything that Elon does. Tesla must be SpaceX. Tesla must be Neuralink. Tesla must be, is it called Skylink, the internet company? So Tesla must be all of that. So they're going to be worth a lot more. Tesla is not all that. Tesla is the car company. Just it. That's it. They're the electric car company. It's not all that other stuff combined. Oh, well, then I'm investing in Elon Musk, and this has to do with those other things too. And I'm investing. Elon is not going to give you a return for all those companies. You're going to get a return for what Tesla does. Can Tesla see increased revenue? Yes. Enough to make up for trading 20 times revenue? I doubt it. To be honest, I doubt it. I love Tesla, and I like I said, I would probably own a Tesla car. I wouldn't want to be paying $1,000 a month for a Tesla car. But if I was in a much, much better position and had that kind of expendable income, sure, yes. But not everybody's going to do that. Not everybody's going to have that. Not everybody's going to spend the money on a Tesla car. Just not going to happen. So you're going to turn to other companies like GM and Ford, and you're going to, if you're going to get an electric car, you're going to find companies that can do it more affordably. Electric cars are the future. I do believe that. But I think unless Tesla comes up with something to make Teslas more affordable, not everybody's going to own one, and that's fine. But maybe think before buying Tesla stock, thinking that it's going to increase a lot, because it might not. Like, Tesla's limited to what Tesla does, and they create high-end electric vehicles. And that's great. For people that want a high-end electric vehicle, that's great. But not everybody's going to own them. So you're going to have to be realistic, because I think I may have said it. I'm not going, like, I love pizza, but I'm not going to spend $1,000 on a pizza just because I love pizza. Like, I love Tesla. I'm not going to spend $60,000, $70,000 on a new Tesla. I'm not going to spend $50,000 on a 2017 Tesla. It's not going to happen. Sorry, I'm not doing it. I'm not going to spend $1,000 on a pizza. Like, but so, the stock, like, I'm not going to get into a stock that, unless, like, well, I'm not going to get into a stock that's way overvalued, overpriced. And it is, in my opinion, overpriced. You can get better elsewhere. You can get better stocks that are trading at 5 times revenue or 1 times revenue or less than 1 times revenue. And yeah, so I don't know. I just hope that before you buy into Tesla, that you think about the price. Even Elon Musk has admitted that Tesla's overpriced for what it is. And so you should consider waiting for it to go down, to be within, like, a reasonable. I'm not saying to short Tesla either. Like, There's diehard Tesla people that are going to keep buying Tesla stock. Are they going to eventually sell? Well, that's up to them, and you don't know when that's going to happen. So, um, yeah, I say definitely think before getting into Tesla. Um, so, and realize that Tesla is not everything Elon Musk does. It's not going to give you a return on Starlink. It's not going to give you a return on Neuralink. It's not going to give you a return on SpaceX. It's not going to give you a return on the other things that Elon does. It's just going to give you a return, possible return, on what Tesla does. And so please, please, please think about that before jumping into Tesla stock just because some talking head on YouTube told you it would be great or you should put all your retirement into Tesla stock and just leave it there and hope for the best. Like, no, please don't do that. Please don't. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would not do that. Like anything can happen, do whatever you want, I guess, but like I don't trust putting in $600,000 into Tesla stock and just hoping for the best and being able to pull $2,000 out for the next 30 years or whatever, like $2,000 a month out for the next 30 years or whatever the math is. Like I don't trust that because I don't trust everybody else keeping their money in it. I just don't. So be cautious and think before jumping. I'm going to show you this. This goes with what I was talking about. Like, okay, so SpaceX, the things that could disrupt Tesla, building the best, lowest cost electric vehicle. That is going to be huge. Like, if they start, like GM or Ford or some other like up and coming electric vehicle maker can do it cheaper and the same quality, yikes, Tesla got better watch out. Telecommunications, offering lower price service. Uh, wait, that's SpaceX. Sorry. Personal transport, eliminating the need for car ownership entirely. Uh, Solar energy, increasing access with Powerwall and solar roof. Fossil fuels, maximizing efficiency of solar panels. Um, Making idle Tesla cars available via an app. So these are things that could really disrupt Tesla, and it could happen. So just be careful. Just be careful. The future does not necessarily belong to Tesla yet. So realize that there may be other options that are better suited, more affordable, and still hold enough value and are decent, great vehicles that compete with Tesla that maybe aren't high end or, like a high end vehicle, but they're decent and have value. So, and that would disrupt Tesla in a big way, in my opinion. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Tesla will go to 1,500 or whatever these people are saying. I wouldn't bank on it. I wouldn't bank on it, and I hope that this video finds the right people before they decide to invest in Tesla, and that they think it through before getting in. Not saying not to. I'm not saying, definitely not saying to get into Tesla, but I'm saying do the math for yourself. Figure out if you think Tesla can grow much more to be able to fill trading at 20 times revenue and what was it, 120 times? What was the number? Oh, 290 times profit. I don't see that happening, but that's just me. Please be careful. Please be careful. Like I saw this with the .com like stock boom, and it was bad. People lost a lot of money because analysts kept on saying, and the same thing with like real estate, like back in 2008 and everything that happened bad with that. Um, like they just kept on pushing. Analysts and these big companies kept on pushing for people to get in. Target prices for .coms was insane. Real estate prices were insane. Like the stock market tied to real estate was insane. And so just be careful. There are better options. I do know that. There are better options to get into and invest in outside of Tesla. And once that floor comes out and it falls out from under it, that's going to be crazy. So hopefully it doesn't happen, but there is risk of it happening. Just be careful. That's all I have. Just be realistic. You can love Tesla and you can love these talking heads that push Tesla and, $1,500 price target, which would put Tesla at like trading at like 30 times revenue. I don't know. Citibank did theirs today, and I think so. I don't go as far as Citibank. Let's go look at this. Like, I don't go as far as Citi. I guess Citi. They put their price target to $262. I think Tesla's worth more than that. I think that would put them at trading at, let's see. Like, that's a fourth of what they're trading at. So that would put them at 5 times revenue. I don't put them that low. I don't think that they should be that low. But I don't think they should be trading at $1,000 personally. I think personally, maybe 10 times rev, 10 years worth of revenue would be their market cap. So puts them at about 400 million market cap, I think, would be reasonable. A little bit more than that. Probably 450 million, or billion, not million, billion market cap. And that would put them trading at, like right around 10 times rev. So they would lose about 11 times rev. It would be a little bit more than half of what they're at now. So $500 share price. And another problem is that they did that stock split a year or two ago now, and people thought, oh, well, I should get in now. Like, it's much cheaper. The stock isn't much cheaper. Like, that doesn't make this, doing a stock split doesn't make the stock cheaper. It makes the individual stock price cheaper, but it doubles how many shares there are. So that is where there's an issue. People think because a stock price is, like, individual stock price is cheaper, that it makes the company more affordable. It doesn't. Like, their market cap stays the same, but then you have all these people getting in because they think the stock price is cheaper, which pushes, and the same thing happened with Apple, which pushes their market cap up because they think, oh, well, I'm getting a half off. I'm getting the stock price. You're not. You're not getting the stock price half off. You're getting the stock price at $500, but now there's double the shares, and there is more dilution. So the stock is becoming diluted. That means that there are more shares now. So it's like, it would be like me saying, it would be like, let's go back to pizza. Let's say we take 8 pieces of pizza and we turn that 8 slices of pizza into 16. Well, whenever we turn that into 16, it isn't giving you more value. I took and made, okay, yeah. So let's say 16 pieces, and I'm going to charge you, let's say each slice cost $5. Now, I'm going to charge you $2.50 per slice, but there's the same amount of pizza there in that pizza as a whole. You're not getting the pizza any cheaper. You're getting half of a slice for half the amount. So now I'm going to charge you $2.50 for each slice that makes up that full, 16 pieces, 16 slices. It's still a full pizza. I'm still going to get the same amount, But instead, you're just paying $2.50 for half of that slice. It's a slice now, but it's half of what it was originally. So you're not getting, it's not any more valuable, but people saw that and jumped in like crazy and made the stock price go back up. And I was like, this is why I hate doing target prices for individual shares. I would rather do a target price for market cap. To me, Tesla's worth about 468 million or billion. 468 billion, 450, 468 billion, right in there. So that would be what my target price should be, 468 billion, not 1 trillion. But that's just my opinion. This is a long video, so not many people watch it anyway, probably. But if you did watch it, thank you for watching. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. I hope this helps somebody. If you like Tesla, I'm not attacking Tesla. I'm not attacking Elon. I have nothing against either the company or Elon. I would possibly own a Tesla in the future if I had enough money or whatever. And I probably actually wouldn't. Like, I love the idea of Teslas, and I like that they can park themselves sometimes and can drive themselves sometimes. I like that, but I'm just not, I don't know. I'm just not willing to put that much down. $50,000 for a used car is not worth it to me. So probably not. Probably not. If I was a billionaire, maybe. But I'm not a billionaire. Well, if I was a 100 millionaire, I would, like, if I had $100 million, I'd buy a Tesla. Yeah. If I ever get to $100 million, count me in. I'll buy a Tesla. Otherwise not. Anyway, I hope that this video helps somebody understand Tesla and Tesla's future, Tesla's stock future at least. As of right now, to me, it's overvalued. It's overpriced. But that's just me. My grandpa used to say everybody has an opinion. And opinions are like buttholes. They all stink. Okay. So anyway, that's all I got. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a profitable green day. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. And I will see you all very soon. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.